QuickMerger is a node-based add-on for Blender that allows you to quickly create simpler copy of objects by duplicating objects and applying modifiers. It then merges objects together, and then parents the output to another object. You can also define a material that will replace all materials on an output object, or leave it as is, with all the materials from the merged objects. To do this, you'll be given nodes to build your tree: source objects node, that returns a list of objects; merge node, that takes source objects, merged objects as inputs; batch node, taking merged objects as input. On nodes, square-shaped inputs indicate that you can connect up to 4095 nodes to this input, though you will probably never have to plug as many. The merge node accepts source objects and merge output as inputs. Plugging source objects in the object's socket will merge the object in the list together. Specifying an object in the merge to field will use that last one as the active object when merging. Plugging source objects in the simple children socket will duplicate these objects without merging them, and parent them to the merge output. As soon as the source objects node is plugged into a simple children socket, a button labeled linked will appear on the node. Toggling it on will duplicate the objects, but keep the link with the original objects. When the button is toggled off, if the objects are linked together before the merge, they will keep their linked between them but won't be linked to the original objects. Pressing the merge button on the node will trigger the merging of the objects, as well as the children merge nodes. Specifying a material in the material input will apply this material to the merged object. The batch node simply executes the merge function of every connected merge nodes, and will offset them by the specified vector value. QuickMerger is especially useful to create baking sets, or simplifying the amount of objects to be exported for game engines, without having to modifying or make no return changes to your work-in-progress version of your objects. More features are to come. I hope you will find it useful, and don't hesitate to post on the Blender Artists topic for feedback, or to show me in what workflow you are making use of the add-on.